trigonometric identities. Let's define the equalities that involve trigonometric function and holds true for all the values of variables given in the equation. And in the identities, we have quotient. Tan theta equal to sin theta over cosine theta, and cotangent theta equals to cosine theta over sin theta. We have Pythagorean. The formula for the Pythagorean is sin squared theta plus cosine squared theta equals to 1, and tangent squared theta plus 1 equals to secant squared theta, and 1 plus cotangent squared theta plus cosecant squared theta. Proceed for example. Cosine theta over cotangent theta. Simplify. Cosine theta over cosine theta over sin theta. First, let's multiply by both sides by sin theta. So, mawawala ang sin theta and matitira ang sin theta and cosine theta over cosine theta. So, pag ganyan, ika-cancel natin cosine theta and matitira ang sin theta.